Hello everyone, myself Moariz Ahmed. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm covering the most important topic, that is how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So you all know that optimizing your LinkedIn profile is essential for attracting job opportunities and building your own brand. So grab a pen and paper because I am about to share some important LinkedIn profile optimization tips with examples. Okay, so remember that a strong LinkedIn profile will increase your chances of getting more interview calls. First, we will discuss the topmost section of your LinkedIn profile, that is your profile photo, cover photo, and headline. Remember, your profile photo is often the first thing people notice when they visit your profile. Also, having a profile picture make your profile 14 times more likely to be viewed by others. So make sure that you aim to fill about 70% of the frame with your face, just like you see my profile picture here. And most importantly, avoid selfies and zoomed out shots. Okay, now let's talk about the cover photo. Uploading a cover photo on LinkedIn is a great way to enhance your profile and make it more visually appealing. You can use Canva for this. There are a lot of free templates available to create a customized banner. Now let's talk about your headline section. In your headline section, you need to mention your target job roles, achievements, and your skills. For example, if I am from the social media background, this is how I write my headline. Now let's move further and talk about your about and summary section. This is the most important section on your LinkedIn profile. I would suggest you to write this section in a hybrid format, which means begin with a brief overview about what you bring to the table, followed by a clear heading about your core competencies and skills in bullet points, just like you see in this example. Let's move forward and talk about your work experience section. Remember to draft this section in reverse chronological order, beginning with your current and most recent position. So many candidates struggle with this section, not knowing how to effectively showcase their experience. Don't worry, here's a detailed guide on how to draft the work experience section. Enter your job title, employment type, example whether it's a full-time job or a part-time job, company name, location, employment dates, and a brief description of your key responsibilities and skills for each position. Now moving further, please remember your education, certification, volunteer work section is also very important. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips for enhancing your career prospects. Thank you for watching.